Hello, students. Let us start a new chapter Social Problems of India and Challenges. So, introduction part. India is a country with huge population and largest democracy. As you see, as per the population, India ranks second, and India is having a largest democracy because of its population. Here, people of different religion, language, culture live together. Coordinating culture and secularism is its characteristics. So the question can be asked you two characteristics of India. The one is coordinating culture because here the people of different religion, language, culture they live together. So there is a coordinating culture and secularism that all the religions are equal. Indian society is changing from tradition to modern society. Many changes are also taking place. So, with these changes, many problems are also there. So, in this chapter, you are going to see two problems, two challenges of India, that is communalism and casteism. Communalism and casteism. So, many people of India belonging to different religion, caste, language, all are living in our country. It is because of freedom only. Our country achieved freedom, and hence we are able to live collectively, freely, in spite of different religion, caste, language, all are equal in India. It seems that harmony, unity, tolerance, etc., that existed in the past has withered away after independence. When we were fighting for the independence, at that time, mostly all the religion, language, caste, they all were one. But day by day, we can see that the unity that was there, the tolerance and harmony that was there, now it is little bit withered away. So today we can see some negative factors which come under peace and progress, like communal conflicts, caste-based quarrel, regional violence. So these are the problems which India is facing, and because of this, India is suffering for its social goodwill, secularism, democratic values, and national integrity. So let us know what is communalism. Communalism. Religion is a matter of faith and reverence. Everyone, if a part of religion is there, so everybody has a faith on their own religion. Like that only we respect our religion, that is reverence. Generally, every person follow one or other religion. India is a secular country. Indian government is secular. So here communalism should not be used. Means communalism behavior, if it is going on, then it is against the law, because India is a secular country and according to it all the religions are equal. And if there is a communal behavior, that is differences of religion, that is when a group of people of religion or sect they oppose other religion or sect because of any reason, communal tension arises. So from this statement it is clear what is communalism. Means when a group of a religion, people of religion, they are opposing the group of other religion, so there is a fight between the two groups based on religion. Such kind of a fight feeling is known as a communalism. When the people of any religion or sect they try to show superiority of their religion, they say that our religion is the best, your religions have so many negative points. So here what happened? There is a division of society and it results into communalism. They give more importance to religious interests. They look every citizen from communal aspect. So because of this feeling, what happened? Communalism come across and it divides our society. Even after so many years, we can see that we are not able to solve the problem of communalism because of religion. Always there is a differences in Hindu, Muslim, Hindu, Christians, various religion. So such kind of a communalism is very harmful. Because of that communalism, what happened? A society cannot live peacefully. People are becoming the enemy of each other only because they are belonging to different religion. They are showing hatred to each other. So communal tension, it leads to the riots also, danga, that is, or quarrel. So this is very harmful for our democracy, national integrity, and development of nation. So what are the steps taken to eradicate communalism? So first one, the government should take punitive action, that is a strict action regarding these communal elements. Second point is education plays an important role. So first point is the government should take action. Second point is education is playing a vital role. So in our education, that how we are studying regarding communalism, like that only, such topics should be included so the students can create a positive attitude and wash away the feeling of communalism. Like different prayers of different religions should be organized, social functions should be there, all the festivals should be celebrated. So because of this, all the religion will become equal. Feeling of all the religion will be equal. So first one is a government should play a vital role. Second, education plays a vital role. Third is political party, which is based on communal idea, should never be given recognition. Political party should never belong to any particular religion. So for this purpose, the elections guidelines should be proper so that the communalism does not develop. Next, radio, TV, cinema, they are the best audio visual. So with the help of radio, TV, cinema, there should be a message of secularism, tolerance towards all religion. So because of this, what happened? The feeling of love to our nation increases and the feeling of communalism is eradicated. Next point for the progress of our nation, religious leader and political leaders, they should come together. And if both of them do not have the feeling of one religion, then the communalism can be stopped. The religious leader should preach that all the religions are equal. Youth must come forward to remove communalism, because at social and educational level, a youth can develop secular and scientific attitude. So youth should come forward. Even government, not only government should play an important role, society should also try to see that all the religions are equal and never create a group based on religion. So understanding the fact that nation is important to us, first nation, then the religion, caste, state, language, whatever. So if national interest is kept in the mind and all the things are away, means national importance is more, national pride is more, it is about religion, caste, state, language, then only we all can be tied in one thread, which will be, and because of which there will be a nationalism, that is a feeling of love towards our country, and national integrity, that is Rashtriya Ekta. So these are the steps for eradication of communalism. Thank you.